Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And somebody contacted me today and they were trying to power clip this into this object. So you select on your object and go to effects or go to actually to range and power clip and you place it inside frame. But it doesn't look right because it's so big. So they're asking me how they could power clip it and where the starburst or where they want to call it would be in the center of the letter. So you have to just do it individually. So you've got 4 letters, so you need 4 exact power clips. So this is a text all grouped together. I'm going to Control K to break it apart. Now you will find when you do a letter that has an inside joint, it doesn't work. So we're going to go and do it. Go to Arrange, Power Clip, Place Inside Frame, and you can see what it does. It doesn't do that inner part. So when you have a letter like that, you need to select it all, go up to Arrange, and you need to combine it. Then when you take your power clip, go to Arrange, Power Clip, Place Inside Frame, it does that. Now we'll just get the next one, the next starburst, Power Clip, Place Inside Frame. Next one, Arrange, Power Clip, Place Inside Frame. One more. Let's bring it a little closer. Let's zoom in here a little bit. The power clip has to be a group. You can see it's a curve on layer 1, but it's all one group. Arrange, power clip, place inside frame. Now just keep in mind when you've done this, and if you've done it like I have done, it's a hairline. So you could select it all, and you could put no line, no outside line, or you could make it a black line and then make it something other than a hairline. It would show up a little bit, and I would scale it with object just in case you're going to make it smaller or bigger. But that's a pretty cool text effect. So that's how you would do it, and you can do that with anything. Any kind of configuration that you can group together. Anyway, I hope that answered their question a little bit, and thank you for watching.